Are you tired of coming home to a messy house after a long day? Do you dream of walking into a sparkling, clean home without lifting a finger? Look no further. Florida Cleaning Service Pros is here to turn that dream into reality. We're not just another cleaning service. We're your partners in creating a healthier, more comfortable living environment. From Lake Placid to Polk County, we're transforming homes across Florida, one spotless surface at a time. Customer 1. I've tried other cleaning services, but none compare to Florida Cleaning Service Pros. They pay attention to every detail. What sets us apart? It's simple. Number 1. Unmatched quality. Our team of professionals is trained to deliver excellence in every task, from dusting your shelves to scrubbing your floors. Number 2. Reliability. We show up on time every time. Your schedule is our priority. Number 3. Customized cleaning plans. Every home is unique, and so are our cleaning plans. We tailor our services to meet your specific needs. But don't just take our word for it. Our 5-star rating speaks volumes about our commitment to customer satisfaction. Customer 2. I'm amazed at how they transformed my home. It's like walking into a fresh new space every time they clean. We proudly serve DeSoto County, Glades County, Hardy County, Highlands County, Okeechobee County, Polk County. No matter where you are in these areas, we're just a call away. Life's too short to spend it cleaning. Let us take care of the dirty work while you focus on what really matters: your family, your passions, your life. Ready to experience the Florida Cleaning Service Pros difference? Call us today at our phone number or visit our website at flcleaningservice.com to schedule your first cleaning. Mention this video and get 10% off your first service. Florida Cleaning Service Pros, where cleanliness meets excellence, and your satisfaction is guaranteed. Your home, our passion.